Working on a 2011 Silverado 3500. We got a situation where no matter what is selected with this, it only blows out the defrost. Not coming out there at all. Doing a little research, it seems like it might be this mode actuator. This supposedly is on the driver's side above the gas pedal somewhere. So I'm going to shoot the parts cannon at it and see if we can get this problem fixed. So 2 screws and a bolt, and then the top of this, looks like probably the bottom too, peened over there, popped right out. Somebody spliced mine, so I won't be able to completely get it out of the way. Looks like it's right up here. I hate these jobs. You have to be a contortionist. Let's see if I can get this duck out of here. Looks like it's just held on by that. I think I'm gonna take this brace out of here. Don't know if it's necessary, but it's in the way. Yeah, I can get my hand in there a little better now. See if we can get this duck out. I think it's just held in by this one push plug type of deal. Got that out. Of all things, they had to put Allen screws up there. Painstakingly worked these guys out. All 3 of the screws are out. I'm going to see if it pulls off. Yeah, it just slipped right off of her. Oops. We'll get that plug, have a closer look at her. Looks like pretty much the same darn thing. There were 3 screws retaining it. I'm actuating one of the flapper rods. That seems to work fine. I'm working the other one now. That one works fine too. I'm going to make sure I got this cogged lever up there in the same position it was when this fell apart. Which was all the way up, which is right about there. There's that other lever. There's the new one plugged in. I'm going to just try it out before I completely land it. I can see by actuating the control that the unit's good. Actually, the old unit was good as well, so if anyone's watching this, do this test before you spend the cash on one of these. So I got it defrost. I got both of those arms shooting out defrost. And I'm going to try putting this in and then putting the motor back on. Make it all in sync. This kind of guides the plate. And both of the flap arms are have pins that I think ride in this groove. So you got to get this in just perfect. Looks like I got this thing in there right. All the way to the right is defrost. Halfway's floor heat. And then that's vent. Getting ready to assemble this. Looks like both these tabs are stops. There's one there, and then there's a stop there. So that looks like that. Both the stops are at their limit. I'm monkeying around trying to get this in there. It seems the best way is to get that disc synced up there. So right now I got it in floor heat. Blowing out this duct here. I also have this in floor heat. Let's see if I can get the 2 combined. Final test here. They're blowing at me. Floor. A little bit coming out right now. Got one in that setting. And defrost. Nothing coming out down here. It's really annoying because I have like AC blowing in my face on the recirculate setting. So for anybody watching this, I think the trick was to assemble it in the floor position because neither the motor or the disc were at their limits. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.